Hi, good morning. This is Ricardo Daniel Hernandez with Merced Window Cleaning, and today we are doing a solar panel cleaning project. So first we set up our filtration system. This is a three-stage filtration system. It has a reverse osmosis filter that is removing all the minerals from the water. So when we rinse your solar panels, all the water that dries just dries and leaves no minerals behind. Doing it with just water from a garden hose will accumulate the minerals over time, and then you might have some production issues with your solar panels. Then what we do, we set up our extension ladder. We always use stabilizers. Here there is not a gutter, but if we had a gutter here, it will protect the gutter from leaning against it and like potential scratches or dents. So the ladder stabilizers are very important to protect your home. So here what we are doing now is using our extension pole. It's connected to a nylon brush that is graded for using on glass. Even it's for windows, but it works for solar panels as well. So David is agitating all the dirt on the panels. He's getting those frames as well because it has plenty of dirt between the glass and the frame. He's scrubbing the whole solar panel, and we do this from 3 to 4 times depending how dirty they are, to ensure all the panel is very well scrubbed. As you can see right now, and in some cases we'll use a harness. In this case it's a very walkable roof. It's completely flat right here. So this is towards the last scrubs for this solar panel. And now what David is doing is applying a generous rinse from top to bottom to remove any remaining dirt that is on the panel. If we were skipping this step and you let the solar panel dry, you will see a lot of streaks on the glass of the solar panel, but this eliminates those. So here, as you can see, the panel is already drying. So when it's wet, it looks like it's clean, right? But if you don't do it properly, you will see a lot of streaks. But here it's already dry and it's looking great. It's hard to see on the camera, but and over there you see the panel. Right now is the winter and they are not as dusty, but however doing it during the winter months is important as well, because then if you get the rain, all that loose dirt that falls on your panels, it gets washed away in just one rain. So here, the last time it rained, it was 2 weeks ago, and you can still see the film is still there. It doesn't remove it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about our solar panel cleaning service, just send us an email or call us at the office at 209-500-9441. Thank you.